Got some more extensive damage than we thought. Still pulling up more and more. Now we got... Oh, hell, there's no deck right here. I can see the floor below me. The boards are missing every few slats downstairs. And they just didn't put them back. I think this is looking pretty good though. Tearing out the rot from the third floor, and it looks like we've got more than I anticipated. Done some damage up here. See this little trail of original hardwood here. This old maple floor, looks like we got about 800 square feet of it left. The rest had to come out. Got pretty significant rot here. Got some holes. I'm actually kind of nervous about where I'm walking while I'm trying to hold this camera. It went all the way through the floor over here. More rot in here. And then, oh my God, look at all that. That's not even cool. That's a lot of flooring missing. It's a lot of square footage we gotta put back. 4.5 inches of floor. Let's go check that out. Ugh. Jesus. That's not cool. Well, get the architect out here. Sorry, the engineer out here and see what he thinks. I don't know. It's really opening up the place, but don't know how I feel about it. Some major rot. Fun stuff.
All right, so we're cleaning out this hidden room that's on the first floor of the cotton mill. Me, Robbie, Jordan, and Lee really got to work this day and just we're sorting through everything. So there are some light panels, some light fixtures, a lot of cords, scrap metal, and we just gotta clean it all out. We wanna see what we can use after everything is done, what we can repurpose. But a lot of this is just, Robbie trying to figure out if he wants to keep it or get rid of it, which is always the hardest decision. But yeah, a lot of dirt, a lot of dust, grime. We found some cool stuff though. We found some windows, some cool chairs. I cleaned those out back. And just sweeping up the floors, making it look all nice. The brick in here, I think, is also really, really cool. And it's going to be really fun to get the mason guy in and have him fix it all up and make it look really nice again. And you can tell it already looks a whole lot better just with all that stuff out of there and all that dust swept up. And this is really cool. This is an old conveyor belt that was hidden under all that stuff. So we're just putting it together, see if it's gonna work. You can see me recording Robbie talking about it. But yeah, really cool.
Well, we found this old conveyor buried under a bunch of nonsense behind that big window over there. And we don't know whether we keep it or throw it away. So I'm gonna plug it in and see if it works. Ready? Nothing. Actually, does it work? It works!
It works!
Yay!
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned with all the demo coming. Got another video next week, so cheers!